it's Keegan. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be something I haven't seen before, and I know a lot of people don't talk about this, so it's something that I kind of wanted to do a video on since I'm going into college this year, and I should just tell you what this video is about. Yeah, okay, so this video is about things you can start doing your freshman year. Things you can start doing your freshman year to help you get into college. And I know what you're thinking, I'm a freshman, I have 4 more years until I go to college, like I don't need to start thinking about it now. But it's good to start thinking about it now. It's good to start planning your future at a young age. You definitely don't need to have your college and your major and like all these things picked out when you're 14 years old. But by the time you're 18, having some groundwork and base work and things that can help you get into college, it's going to be really helpful and you're going to really appreciate it. Not all these things are like things that will help you like get into college, but they'll help you like with college, like affording college. You'll see what I mean when I tell you the tips. I just thought this video would be really helpful for you guys who are like me and like to plan ahead. I'm also doing a huge giveaway going on right now, and so I'll have all the information in the description, all that. If you want to enter the giveaway, I think you should. It's a good giveaway. So let's get on into the tips. My first tip is to volunteer. Volunteering is just something that I didn't realize my freshman year you had to do. I really didn't do much my freshman and sophomore year besides like school and hang out with friends. I didn't join clubs, I didn't do much. And that's something I really regret. Freshman year, start volunteering. If you start your freshman year, you are going to have so many community service hours, like an insane amount, more than most people do. Volunteering looks amazing on college applications and they can really help you get a scholarship. I got a scholarship for my volunteering. That is something that I really recommend you doing starting from a young age. Taking dual enrollment, honors, AP courses. Dual enrollment and AP courses are college credit classes, so if you start taking college credit classes your freshman year, you're going to have so many credits by the end of your senior year. You will have like 2 years of college, then you're done. I know there's some schools that don't offer dual enrollment AP courses to freshmen. My school, I think, only offered like world history, maybe like a few electives, but that's okay. Like even one class will help you out. If you think that you are capable and smart enough and you can push yourself to taking those harder classes your freshman year, I'd really recommend doing it. Get A's, try really hard to just excel in school. Your GPA is going to be so nice if you don't slack your freshman year. I said this in my freshman advice video, which you should watch, just saying. A lot of people slack their freshman year, so it really brings down their GPA, but when you're a freshman, you're getting like these amazing grades. That's 1/3 of your like high school GPA that colleges look at, and it's really going to help you get into college and you get that academic scholarship and you're set. You're good. You can get into like any college you want. Join clubs and take on leadership positions. I feel like such a broken record, but leadership positions in clubs are like gold. It's like a golden egg for colleges. Like colleges love seeing that you are a leader, that you're in charge, that you're not gonna just follow, that you're taking the initiative. So I really recommend, even if it's not like being president of a club, but you can be like a treasurer. You can be like the smallest, like least important person in a club, and it could be the least important club ever, but colleges won't know that. So I really recommend taking on leadership positions and joining clubs, especially like leadership clubs. Like my school has Link Crew and like Suko and things like that. Those look amazing on applications. Start thinking of ways that can make you stand out, and you don't necessarily need to start standing out when you're 14 years old and a freshman, but start thinking of things that will make you different and more desirable for colleges than the average person. Like for me, I actually didn't put this on my college application. I probably should have, but like it would have made me like stand out a lot more. My friends and I started a club at our school, and it wasn't even like we were just like, let's start a club. It was like a class project. Colleges don't know that. Like you can really make it seem like you're this like amazing person and not be this amazing person, like you were forced to do something, but you can make it seem like it was all your idea. It was for fun. My friends and I started like a lunchtime recycling program at our school, and that would have looked amazing on college applications if I remembered, because I'm just dumb and forgot. It was literally a class project, but to colleges, they probably just think that like I did it out of the kindness of my heart. You can start applying for scholarships as a freshman, and this is something that I actually knew, but my dumb self was like, I have time. Like I have 3 more years. I don't need to be applying for scholarships now. I'm not gonna get them. Apply for them. Apply for as many scholarships throughout your high school career as possible. You can literally start when you're 14 years old. Even if it's like $100, that's $100 you don't have to spend. If it's $1,000, that's $1,000 you don't have to spend. And if you keep applying for these scholarships, they really add up, and you can have everything paid for. I hate myself for not doing that. Hate's a strong word. Someone's calling me. Should I answer? No, I'm not. My last tip is to start thinking about your major. You don't need to pick your major when you're a freshman. I had no idea what I wanted to do when I was a freshman. The major I chose right now, I would not have thought that I would have picked that, and I didn't even know it was a thing. What I recommend doing is looking at the electives and clubs and things that you're in and seeing like, is this something I could do as a career? I'm in a marketing class. Could I do marketing in my future? I'm in a culinary class, but I want to be a chef when I'm older. I'm in like a fashion club, but I want to be a fashion designer or a fashion supplier buyer person for like department stores. Look at the clubs and the electives that you're taking and seeing, could this be something that I enjoy as a career, and start focusing on that. So I hope that you guys like this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe if you're not already, enter my giveaway. Like I said, all this stuff is in the description. I'm sweating so much. I wonder if you can see like sweat stains. Can you? A little bit. Oh no, keep my arms down. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!